Hi viewers, this time I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of HP Deskjet 2734E printer. This is a color printer with a scanner. This is a Wi-Fi compatible and you can print it from your phone or from your laptop wirelessly. Let's see what we have inside. We have the printer and these are the accessories. You have the cable, you have the cartridges and quick starter guide. So I unwrapped everything. This is a very compact size if you are looking for home use or for school. This looks to be a perfect fit for it. So let's see, this is your scanner and these are all the controls you have. You have option to load the papers from the back also. So that's a leaflet you can see there. So on the back you have the power cable port. You connect the power cable. So the power card is connected. Let's see, it is turning on. Come on. Okay, so I can see the lights coming up. And it's blinking. And next step is we need to install the required software. Either you can do it through your mobile or using your computer. So you can hear it's doing something. I haven't put in any of the cartridges yet. I need to set up this first. So that something is coming up on the small screen also here. So let's do the setting up of this printer using the mobile. If you're in Android or iPhone, you need to download this HP Smart app. Let me get this. So I have installed the app. You just go through the terms and conditions, accept it, and let's see what are the steps it is. So it's set up a new printer. Okay, it's asking us to allow, so allow it. So it's a new printer. So I would like to connect the printer via Wi-Fi. I choose the Wi-Fi, continue. Place the printer, okay. This we all already done that. Continue. Just allow in again. Okay. So now I got this 2700 series. Select that. So it's allow while using. So it's searching for the Wi-Fi. So I need to put in the password for my Wi-Fi. So after putting my password, it's preparing the printer to connect to the Wi-Fi. Please press and release the information button. So if you look at here, the I button is blinking. So I just need to press it and release. Now the Wi-Fi light is blinking. I think it's getting connected, so it's a solid blue light now. Looks like it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Yep, it is finished. It's connected to the Wi-Fi now. Okay, remove the materials. Okay, so it's just basically giving the instructions to how to operate the printer. So remove remaining tape, and it is asking to close the door. So let me do that. Okay, it's closed. Okay, all done. So it's again sometimes. Okay, it's asking for the some HP plus activation. I'll put it as remind me later. Okay, so now it's asking to pull the tray, which I already did. And next step is load A4 paper. Okay, so now it's telling to install the ink. Let's do that. So these are the two cartridges. One is for color, one is for the black. So we need to install this on the slots. We need to install these cartridges on the slots for the printer to complete the setup. So I have installed the color one. Now I'm going to install the black. So you just place the cartridge in and then press this until you hear a click sound like that. So now both the cartridges are in the printer. Let me close this. So once you install the cartridges, you will see like this on the small LED screen or whatever the screen it is. It shows that cartridge is full, and you can see that Wi-Fi is glowing and power button is on, and now we can ready to load the paper. So now the printer is ready to print. Once you load some paper, I think this will print this. Let's test it out. So now I am loading the paper. So if you see there, you will have a blue tab, it's movable. So this cues the guideline for what kind of paper you're loading. So I moved all the way to the left end of the printer and putting an A4 paper there. Okay. I just place the A4 paper and continue on my phone to print. Okay. So you can see printer is doing something. Let's see if it is printing that whatever it wants to print. There you go. So it printed out this. So setting up the printer is pretty much easier. You can skip the HP Plus subscription for ink for now. I just skip that part for now. If you really want to have that, you can subscribe for that. You need to put in your credit cards and shipping and billing details, and you can choose the delivery time, how much weeks you want to deliver it by a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever you want. You can change that. So that's about it. Unboxing and setting up the HP inkjet printer. This is compact one. I would recommend this for school or home print. This will be more convenient and easy to use. It's Wi-Fi. You can print it from your phone or laptop from anywhere from your home. So if you guys have any questions, anything related to this, please post on the comment. I will answer as soon as possible. And I will show how one thing. I'll show you how the scan will work. So I'm just placing this. Close that. That part is for both copying as well as for scanning, I think. Let's see how we can scan this. I just open the app and I just choose the printer scan. So in the app you have the source. You can choose where you want to scan from. So I choose the printer and press the scan. You can see here, once the scan is happening, you can see that scanned information on real time on your phone. This is pretty cool and neat. So the scanning is completed. Once that is scanned, you can do whatever you want to fix this or something, whatever you want. Just click next and then save this or share, save, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So So this is pretty neat and cool. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.